Behold the power of present condition data. This treasure trove, gathered from wearable devices, mobile apps, social media platforms, and more, paints a vivid picture of our behaviors, preferences, and interactions. But what's next? Enter data processing and analysis. Techniques such as data cleaning, transformation, and feature engineering pave the way for advanced analytics. Machine learning algorithms, statistical modeling, and data mining are then applied to identify patterns and trends. Predictive modeling steps into the spotlight here, forecasting future behaviors or outcomes based on historical data. Imagine healthcare professionals anticipating disease progression or identifying at-risk individuals. Then there's scenario planning, simulating various future scenarios based on different assumptions. Decision makers gain a deeper understanding of potential impacts. Personalization and recommendations come to play too. Think fitness and wellness plans tailored to individual health data and goals. And the journey doesn't end there. Continuous learning and improvement refine and improve models over time, leading to more accurate predictions and better decision support. In the end, by harnessing present condition data and employing advanced analytics techniques, we gain valuable insights into human behavior and lifestyle, enabling us to better anticipate and shape the future. That's the power of data.